This is Japan. This beautiful country is not only famous for its innumerable, phenomenal shopping districts, variety of wonderful attractions, its breathtaking scenery such as the towering snow-capped Mount Fuji, but the country is also famous for food, in particular, Japanese bakeries. Japanese bakeries produce some of the best baked treats. The bakeries offer an amazing variety of delicious foods, everything from decadent fruit-topped sweets smothered in cream, to the mouth-watering hearty chicken sandwiches, to the savory lemon blueberry scones. Japan's bakeries have been a go-to meal for me. I'm going to be eating a bakery sandwich, and these bakery sandwiches are just absolutely phenomenal. Every time I go there, I look forward to finding new sandwiches, and so today I found this right here. Look at this. This has egg on it, it has chicken on it, it has some kind of sauce, and then it has lettuce, and this thing just looks so good. Look at that. Oh my. So, and the bread is just very, very soft. This looks very, very oishi. There it is. Let's give this a try. This is like a spicy chicken sandwich. And as soon as I took a bite of it, it just lit my mouth on fire. So I didn't expect that, but it's so good. Now there's some buffalo sauce in this, and that's what all that is. That's why it's so spicy. But when you combine the egg and the chicken, oh, it makes an excellent combination. And I would recommend that you try the egg and chicken together. It's so oishi. Now you can tell this is homemade. Look at my thumb. This is all the flour that came off of this. This bread is just so fresh. It's very, very soft and oishi. Oh yeah. This bread is so fresh, it can literally melt in your mouth. It's that good. When you come out to Japan, you definitely have to try the chicken and egg sandwich from the bakeries here in Japan. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, go and hit that subscribe button for more food videos, drink videos, ice cream videos, and even travel videos here on The Focus Travel. Check out my website at thefocustravel.com. I have been writing about my traveling experiences, food experiences, drink experiences, and ice cream experiences here in Japan and really all over the world. Also check out my other YouTube channel, Epic Travel. This channel is designed for people seeing the real Japan. And so I have a stabilizer and I go through Japan and I just show you all of Japan. There's no distraction, no music, none of that, no vlogging. Because what a lot of vloggers do, and I am a vlogger, is they have their face in the camera most of the time, which is okay, that's great. But people who want to see the real Japan don't get to see that. I created the Epic Travel channel so that people can see all of Japan. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.